back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and today I am going to be unboxing the DJI Pocket 2, at least I think. So, long story short, my grandparents always ask me what I want for Christmas, and I order it for them, and then my mom wraps it and puts it under the tree so they can give it to me. But I know it's here and I really need it for vacation, so I need to open it today, which means I need to make a video to unbox it. So I need to go grab it from under the tree, and then we are going to go head upstairs to do this. So I already obviously have my eye on it. It is right here. So here we go. Okay guys, so quite honestly, this is probably one of the sneakiest things I've done in a very long time. But, you know, I really was so excited to get this camera, and I am going to Disney on vacation from December 15th to the 21st, so I really need it right now, and that's like so bad of me, but I don't know another time that I will need it this bad after that, so I really want to use it. So we're going to unbox it today, and then I'm going to rewrap it and put it back under the tree after my vacation. I hope nobody notices, so yeah, pray for me, and let's get into this unboxing. So the first thing for this unboxing is unwrapping. So well, I already made a mess at the bottom, so there's that, because, you know, I just started to unwrap like per usual, and that was just not the move. But the thing is, if nobody else touches it in the meantime, I'm going to get away with this. And honestly, my mom will probably see this video because she doesn't normally miss them unless I try to tell her that I didn't upload and like took a day off of vlogging. She'll believe me because she just believes that I wouldn't lie to her. So that's the plan, and if she catches me, hopefully it'll be too late and it'll already be in Disney with me. Okay, so now I need to get into the shipping box. So I have the only thing that was in range, this key, because, you know, I didn't have a lot of time to prep for this because I needed to wait till I was alone. This is probably one of the most eventful side stories you've ever heard going along with an unboxing, so at least I got that going for me. Okay, so combination of ripping and a key, we are into the box. And here it is. So, story behind why I wanted this so bad is for like situations like I am in right now. Hopefully with this camera I will never be in again, because I will have the ability to keep my good camera on the tripod and then use this smaller one to like record over to like show exactly what I'm doing, and then like put the pieces of footage together. So I started making videos in general on my GoPro, but after doing a ton of research, this is like the vlogging version of a GoPro. So in this video, I'm going to do like an unboxing and setup, and then once I use it a little bit, I want to give you guys a review of it because I just think it's going to be really awesome. But I did order it from the Apple Store. You can get them on Amazon and whatever. But this is the last video, hopefully, of mine that you will see that you will not be getting close-ups in, because I don't have two cameras to do so. But that's going to be really, really awesome when I have the ability to do that. Opening it up, it looks like this is the camera, and this is like a little pack of accessories and stuff. Alright, so opening up the camera. Oh my gosh, it is so little and cute. I'm like honestly afraid of it. Shut up. It is honestly even smaller than I thought it would be. And it is the cutest little camera I've ever seen in my entire life. But honestly, guys, I have to admit, I have no idea how to use it. Okay, so just to show you how small this is, I have the iPhone 11 Pro, and just like a regular Apple charger case on it. It's really not that big of a case. And it is like a third of the width, like that way, about half kind of ish the other way and maybe double the thickness. Like, that is absolutely insane. Like, okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is the power button on the side. And so when I clicked that, it brought up a screen asking me for my language, which is pretty self-explanatory, but now it's asking me to go on the mobile app. So I'm going to record everything that's going on my screen for you guys. So I just had to search the DJI Memo app in the App Store, and now it is downloading. But while it's doing that, I just want to take a moment to look at this really cute and awesome protective kit that they give you to carry it in. And this is something so great because I always get worried about throwing my camera in my bag. Like, if it's not in anything. And funny story, I actually use a triangle bathing suit bag. And if you have ever had a triangle bathing suit and know what the bags are like that they come in, it's a really nice quality thing and it fits a lot of my equipment, but it's probably not the best idea. So this is just going to be really awesome to carry this so secure, and it's like a really hard plastic case, so super awesome. But opening up, actually I'm not opening up that. So, okay, again, while that is still downloading, I'm going to remove these little tabs that are all around it, and they're all just on there for like safety. So there's just 3. And also while that is downloading, I'm just going to open up this little accessories kit. So many of you probably know that there is a DJI Pocket 2 creator kit, and that is super, super awesome. But for what I need right now, as this being like my secondary camera, I didn't feel that all of the pieces were necessary, like the extra microphone, because I have a really nice microphone that goes with my main camera. And like I said, I'm not trying to make this my primary footage cam. I'm trying to make this for like those extra like passes through to get some footage for like the opening, or just like overhead footage when I'm doing something like this. But if I needed the sound, I don't see any reason that I would not be able to get that off my camera. And also, like, if I do find that I'm using this camera more, I will obviously switch this to being my primary and get that creator kit. But for now, I just didn't think it was necessary. Okay, so now that everything is out of the packaging, let's just go through what we have. So first things first, we have the DJI Pocket 2, obviously. Then we have the cover for that. It also comes with a really nice wrist strap and a mount for whatever tripod you are currently using. There's also a smartphone USB-C adapter and lightning cable, as well as these little adapters for that and the mini control stick. So super awesome little pieces, but going to have to now hopefully be able to open up the app if it's downloaded, and I will record my screen so I can put it next to me. For your sake, it'll be on the video. So starting that now. So I have to hit agree on a couple of things. Hello. I'm sure you will see that huge flicker that just happened. It's acting like it's already connected, but that's weird because it's not. Okay, I need to register for an account. So doing that quickly. Okay, so now that we are in, I need to add this camera. So it says it is searching for the device, and hopefully it finds it because I did not click anything. Okay, it said device not found. Okay guys, sorry for the confusion, but just now that we are all figured out and understanding, and something I kind of wish I understood more before, without the creator kit and the do-it-all handle, you have to have a wired connection instead of wireless to your cell phone, which is like totally fine, but just needed to figure out exactly how to do that. So for that, you have to remove this little sliding cover right here, which is really cool. And that is why they give you these little adapters. So I have to slide in the one right here that is made for the iPhone. Okay, so now that that is in, I can connect it right to my phone. Okay, so now I have the terms and conditions, which I'm going to agree to, and I'm on the app. So it is connected. I'm going to click camera and see what happens. It says keep the USB connected during the process, so authoring the DJI to access your information for activation. Authorization is required to complete. Perfect. Okay, activate. So it's registering the device information and all that good stuff. So this is some DJI Care, and I should probably do that, but I'm not going to do that right now for the sake of this video. And now we are continuing on. So I do need an SD card, which is not ideal. Guys, there's a lot of things. I'm really glad I made this video for you guys, so I'm hoping you're going to watch it before you purchase. It does not come with an SD card. I may have made a mistake if the creator kit also comes with that, because this is just not ideal situation, because now I need to order more stuff for it. But right now it is installing the firmware, so that is apparently all I have to do for the setup, and I'm really sad that I will not be able to shoot with it today and record anything because I do not have a card. So my advice to anyone getting this would definitely be to get that card before, probably the creator kit and all that good stuff, because you will need it, and you do need an SD card to actually set it up. So I'm a little disappointed, but very glad that I didn't do this the day like I was leaving and the day before I was leaving, because that would have really sucked. But yeah, for today, that is it for this unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2. And like I've said a couple of times now, because I'm really, really upset about it, because, you know, sometimes when I just buy things like this, I really wish there'd be like a notice you can't use it at all unless you have these things. But I'm glad I made this video, so now all of you know, and hopefully this will really help you out. But it's a really cute camera, and from what I'm seeing on it so far, the picture is so clear and crisp. I just can't see it yet on my phone because of the SD card situation, and it needs a firmware. So with that being said, I'm going to figure that out before I give you guys an updated like usage video and review. But for now, that is it for this unboxing the DJI Pocket 2 camera, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. Okay, actually, correction made here. The creator kit also does not contain an SD card. So just so you guys know, maybe that's normal for cameras. I wasn't sure, but I wanted to make sure I added that in once I finished looking it up, because that is just something you still have to order separately. So make sure you do that if you're getting one, and I wanted to make sure you guys knew that really quick.